Welcome. In this video, we will talk about ChatGPT Plus and explain how it can make your experience faster, smoother, and more powerful. So, why you choose ChatGPT Plus? It is a premium subscription that give you faster replies, priority access when demand is high, and access to a powerful AI models. It is a perfect if you are a student, a professional, or a content creator. Now let's look at the key features. With ChatGPT Plus, you get three key benefits. First is priority access, so you never have to wait even during busy times. Second, faster responses, meaning you get an answer quicker. Third is access to advanced models like ChatGPT 4 and experimental previews. Now the ChatGPT Plus makes your experience smoother and faster. You get priority access, meaning you won't have to wait when the service is busy, and faster responses, which help you get things done quickly. Now let's talk about ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 4 is the most advanced model you can use with Plus. It is a great for more detailed answer, solving complex problems and creating high quality content. If you need depth and precision, ChatGPT 4 is for you. But if speed is more important for you, check out the ChatGPT 4 Turbo. It means ChatGPT 4o. For tasks that need to be done quickly, there is a ChatGPT 4 Turbo. It is just as powerful as a ChatGPT 4 but with faster responses. And it is a perfect when you are short on time or juggling multiple tasks. And for even lighter tasks, there is a ChatGPT 4 Turbo Mini, which means ChatGPT 4o Mini. Need something lighter for simpler tasks? ChatGPT 4 Turbo Mini is designed for everyday questions and quicker answer. It is a fast and efficient for smaller tasks, helping you get things done without any hassle. And if you love exploring new features, we have ChatGPT 4o1. As a Plus subscriber, you also get access to ChatGPT 4o1. This model lets you try new features and the latest updates before anyone else. If you are curious about what is coming next in AI, this is where you can explore. And if you went to the latest in a compact version, check out ChatGPT 4o1 Mini. For quick tasks with the newest AI feature, there is a ChatGPT 4o1 Mini. It is a fast, lightweight, and perfect for handling multiple queries at once, without sacrificing performance. Now, let's wrap up with why upgrading to ChatGPT Plus is a great choice. Upgrading to a ChatGPT Plus means you will always have access to the best AI models, faster responses, and no wait during busy times. It is a great for anyone who needs reliable and efficient AI, whether for your work, study, or creative projects. And here is the best part, ChatGPT Plus is affordable too. AI this benefit come at just $20 per month. With ChatGPT Plus, you are getting faster, smarter, and more reliable AI. Let's make your day-to-day life easier. Let's wrap up and upgrade to ChatGPT Plus and unlock the full potential of AI. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone who loves having smarter conversation, so ChatGPT Plus is for you. ChatGPT Plus is your smarter, faster, and always-on AI assistant. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.